Today I will guide you through the process of changing your existing Google account password directly from your desktop. I began by opening Google Chrome from my taskbar. Once Chrome was open, I moved my cursor to the top right corner and clicked on my account icon. A drop-down menu appeared, and from there I selected Manage my Google account. This took me to the Google Account Manager interface. From the options on the left, I chose Security. The security page opened, and I scrolled down until I found the How You Sign Into Google section. There, I clicked on Password. Google asked me to verify my identity by entering my current password. After typing it in, I clicked Next. A page appeared with two fields, New Password and Confirm New Password. I entered my new password in both fields and then clicked on Change Password. The update was successful, and my Google account password was officially changed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss future updates.